Firstly, open your favorite browser and search Download MySQL and press Enter. Then navigate to the first website by MySQL. Then after click on the download button, then scroll a little bit and click on here. Then click on MySQL installer for Windows. Now click on the second download button, which have almost 354 millions of downloads. You can sign up if you want, or you can skip this by clicking here. After this, the downloading will be started. Once the downloading will be finished, open the file. Now wait for a couple of seconds until it will be opens the download interface of MySQL. Once this window will appear, follow each step very carefully, otherwise you will be in trouble. Select the custom option and click Next. Now click on the plus icon in front of MySQL server. Click again and again on the plus icon until it will be disappear, and now select this and click on this right arrow. Now click on plus icon in front of application. Now click on plus icon in front of MySQL Workbench again and again, and lastly select it and using right arrow button drag it. At last, do the same with MySQL shell and finally click on Next. Now click on the Execute button. If this pop-up shows, accept the agreement and click on Install. Once all the programs executed, click on Next button, again Next, Next, and here also Next. Okay, so be attention here. Create a password for your MySQL Workbench, make it strong and remember for the future use. And after that, click on Next again and again. Finally, click on Execute and Finish. And lastly, click on Next. And finally, click on the Finish button. Click on Search button and type MySQL Workbench and open it. Then click on here and enter your password which you were entered during the installation. And finally run a demo query using it. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.